Good morning. It's 4 July 2026. It's the 4th of July, the 250th anniversary of our nation. And we are 50 years beyond the normal collapse point for nations and empires. They usually last about 200 years and collapse in on themselves. So I'm told. So we're doing pretty good. We made 250, so we're 50 over. Let's go for another 50. That cloud right there, see how localized it is? I was up on the hill right under that cloud, and for about a city block, about from there down to there, I got rained on. I walked into the rain, I walked through the rain, and I walked out of the rain. It was just droplets. It was so cool. Oh my, talk about localized weather. Tomorrow it will rain on the 1400 block of Penn Coast Road for 12 and a half minutes. That's how accurate our weather reporting is out here. Just incredible. Okay, so yesterday on the 3rd of July, I did a wonderful job, a neat job, a beautiful job, a really, really, really well orchestrated job. One of the nicest, neatest installation of the head on the cylinders and then the rocker boxes on top of the head that you'll just ever see. Matter of fact, I put this rocker box on 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll talk about that. And I put them on backwards. This is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to be here. And I very, very carefully and very well organizedly put them on backwards, even having done this dozens of times. I got into Norton mode, which brings the oil line over here, and for reasons I can't fathom myself, I ended up putting them on swapped. So this morning I'm going to unput them on swapped, and I'm going to put them on swapped, which will unswap them. But let me tell you, last night when I was editing the videos, I was so tempted to just erase them all and pretend it never happened. But the reason for me doing this one 4 times was so novel that I decided to go ahead and publish it. And like I've said many times, I publish my mistakes, and I didn't think that'd be fair. So anyway, this morning I'm going to swap these two and finish the installation of the head. But boy, I was tempted to just erase and pretend it didn't happen. So anyway, the end result, the reason I put this on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off 4 times is that one of the push rods was a 1/4 inch longer than the other one. I had bought 3 used push rods because they'd been lost when somebody took this apart. Never noticing that one of the 3 was a 1/4 inch longer than the other 3. And that one ended up over here, and the adjuster just didn't look right once I adjusted the valves. All of the other adjusters had maybe 3 threads showing. That one had like 6 or 8. It was just weird. So I kept taking this on and off, on and off, on and off, trying to figure it out before I finally pulled the 2 push rods out and laid them side by side and saw that one was a 1/4 inch longer. So it's all put together now. It's nice, it's in beautiful shape. And I'm going to spend the morning taking it apart and swapping these boxes so that they're proper. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes it rains.